In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a license plate bulb pigtail harness on a Dodge Ram pickup truck located in the rear bumper. So both mounting screws are a T15, that's a Torx. Once you get it mounted in there, just counterclockwise, spin that out. Set it aside, do the same to the top. Grab that cover and pull it out. So here is the license plate harness, bulb harness, and that's what we're looking at, two-prong little clip. And it mounts right here behind the bumper, right on top of that spare tire. So we're gonna put our hand up there, grab that clip and pull out and pull down. And there you have it. So now that it's been disconnected, if yours is not broken, you're gonna pull the whole harness out this way, but either way we have to take this part of the harness and pull it out towards us. So that's why it goes in this way, not from the back side. It's a seal and it mounts the harness itself to the bumper. So after transferring the bulb over, I looked at it, it's in good shape, and it's a 194, just in case if you need to know. You're gonna take your new one and take that harness and slide it right through. Give it a little wiggle. There we go. Just needed a little persuading. I'm going to run that through, then seat that right in its spot. Now you're going to take your new cover and angle it so the clear is going towards the plate. Mount that right in that spot. Take your mounting screws, poke them through. So I'm pretty much lining those holes up. Gonna get my T15. There we go. Alter back and forth. Don't tighten one. You want to get them both seated and started at the same time. Now you'll see that they're kind of moved around. Move on to the next one. And then you're going to evenly tighten them in. It's only plastic on the other side, so you'll feel it when it tightens out. Leave it right there. All right, so now we'll raise the vehicle and we'll plug that pigtail in and try it out. So now you're going to take your new harness connector, bring it up to the truck side harness, and line it up until it clicks. There we go. I like to tuck that up out of the way. Now we can go turn it on, see if it works. Each plate light is identical, same procedure for the other side. They're individual harnesses. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.